Casey Storm Girl here. Have been under a winter weather warning since yesterday night. Excuse me. As of right now, roads are starting to get really nasty. There's lots of car accidents. I've been listening to scanners and making sure everything is okay on the roads for my staff personally, and for you guys, of course. But I would suggest listening to the weather people today. It is not the best idea to go out and do anything fun. If you're at work, please drive home safe. If you're at home and you think you feel like you gotta go out, please don't go out. Wait till this clears up, okay? Because look, I'm going 15, 20 miles an hour, and this is how we're going. So the roads are getting hazardous. I'm having to slow down every few minutes just so that way I'm away from the cars. I have levee room in between the cars so that way I'm safe in case they get into a car accident. I'm safe in case I start sliding. I'm not in that person's way, and the car behind me is doing the same exact thing, which is the best way to do. So what I suggest for you guys today, stay home, pop some popcorn, put some Netflix on, chill the fuck out, and relax. Excuse my language if kids are watching, sorry. It's a stressful day being a supervisor and having to do all this and having to drive in this weather. So be weather aware and just be cautious. Okay, guys? I will do my best to try and update today and tomorrow the best that I can and make sure that everybody is safe here in Kansas City. Peace.